Nigerian Genius.
Welcome back, everybody. This is
Team UNN. The morning brain teaser it was fine. We had to put balloons beside ourselves, shoulder level, and walk together simultaneously. The balloon shouldn't get burst, it shouldn't fall. If not, we'll be disqualified. And the distance was around 5 meters.
We'll do something that focuses more on team building, on strategic planning, and on coordination. Having said that, today's task is the balloon shoulder walk. Your first task is to inflate it to the best size that you think would be good to do what you're about to do. Balloons have to be between your shoulders, and you walk a distance of 5 meters. So there's a start point and an end point. The winner will be those that move from the start point to the end point at the least possible time. So today we'll be using a stopwatch, and if the balloon falls or bursts, that's the end for the team.
Initially, we thought we wouldn't be able to complete the challenge because of our height difference, but we were able to figure it out, and at the end of the day, we actually won the challenge in the shortest time. So it was a good challenge.
Although we didn't leave it happy, because we finished the list, but we had to cheer ourselves up and look at the better picture of it. It was all about virtue, all about having to work with ourselves.
For the teamwork, we figured out that we had different heights, and I was the one in between the two heights, between the tallest and the shortest. Actually, sorry for that.
But the interesting thing about the challenge this morning was the teamwork. We had to work together as a team. Nobody needed to go faster, nobody needed to go slower. We needed to carry each other along, because if one person goes faster than the other, the whole team fails. If one person goes slower, the whole team fails. Carrying each other along and doing the tasks, working in synchronism, it was very interesting completing the task.
One of the goals of the Nigerian Genius is to draw the whole nation towards engineering as a critical component of national development.
We went to our various classes whereby we were taught or given some safety precautions which we need to adhere to as an engineer or a technician or technologist. So, as you all know, in the manufacturing industry, safety is so much important. When you are safe, the equipment is safe, the environment is safe, and everyone is safe. When you are safe, the productivity of the company will be much increased. When you are safe, the productivity will be maximal.
We were given the drawing for the adjustable stool, and the first thing we had to do was to study it and to write out the steps we will follow when welding and cutting, when carrying out the operations. And that really helped us a lot, because we were not confused. What are we doing next? What are we doing next? But it was all written down stepwise, and we knew after cutting, after marking out cutting, we knew how we joined them together and formed this stool. We welded, we drilled, we tapped. Tapping means threading. We threaded it because it required threading. We then sprayed the wood and sprayed the frame as well. And the stool, when we were doing it, there were some. It was force fitted, so we needed to put it in force. Then we had to adjust it, and now it's very free. It's a stool that you can sit and can carry a good amount of weight.
Okay, I want to say a very big thank you to CLINTONEL for organizing this program. First of all, I never imagined myself to have done what I did today, because I don't think I will carry myself to any mechanical engineer and say, okay, I want to learn how to weld or all this. We came to this event and we are giving all these experiences, even the ones we thought we didn't need, and we are learning quite a lot and it's been great. We are actually enjoying it. So I want to say a very big thank you to all the organizers and the CEO of this event. They really tried, and we hope they keep doing